How to fix Fidelity Investments app login problem. Let's get started. The very first thing you want to check is your credentials. Make sure your credentials are correct, username and the password. In the case you are not sure about your username or password, you can click on the option of forgot username or password and recover it, and then can try to log in. Heading towards next solution, check your internet connection. For that, launch your settings. Navigate to the option of Wi-Fi. Click on the Wi-Fi network you're connected to. Forget this network. Give a fresh restart to your router and rezone it. Likewise, you can switch the network. If you are using Wi-Fi, switch it to cellular data. And in the case you are using cellular data, switch it to Wi-Fi. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, you can update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your App Store, search for the app Fidelity Investments. After app appears at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Likewise, clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Head over to the option of iPhone Storage. Now here you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Find the app Fidelity, open it, click on Upload app, click on Upload app. Uploading app clears cache for the app. Now click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, your problem might be fixed. If the solution doesn't work for you, you can completely delete this app from your device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. With that, you're going to get the pop-up. Click on Delete app for the confirmation. The app will be deleted. Once deleted, launch your App Store, search for the app Fidelity Investments, and install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Fidelity Investments app login problem. If this video was helpful, smash that like button, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.